With supply chain shortages and inflation driving so much market volatility, investors are looking for products with predictable benefits. A whole life insurance policy is designed for people who don't like surprises. Whole life policies offer the certainty of a guaranteed death benefit, so you know your beneficiaries will be protected after you're not there to help provide for them. Whole life policies also build cash value at a guaranteed rate of return. Even the amount of the premiums you pay is guaranteed to stay the same for life. And whole life policy dividends are tied to how well the insurer performs financially, so you benefit as they become more successful. Dividends can also provide enhanced death benefits, a growth in cash value, and if the cash value is left untouched, offset the effects of inflation. Make certain your family is protected from the sudden loss of your income. Find out more about the benefits of whole life insurance by calling us today.